Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing my Kickstarter deck, the Phenomenon, an Oracle deck. I guess this is a gift for me, a little sticker. It's an Ammonite, so nice. I'm going to set that aside. It's a little tiny deck, so my first impression that it's both smaller and larger than I thought. Larger this way, smaller this way, or maybe not. Well, they do seem a little larger. 32 cards and an instructions sheet. What I liked about it is that it's like natural disasters. And I kind of like, I lived through one recently, and so it's just really felt like something I really needed to purchase. It resonated with me, short and long story short. So this is the information sheet. And it's just basically got some keywords for each of the cards. But the cards themselves, so this is Blizzard. Okay, Blizzard. And it just leaves it open to you. I could see this as being like blinded, confusion, imminent death. So it says obstruction, blindness, and perfusion. So this is like crazy. Crystallize, decompose, dew. I like that. It's dew on a spider web. Drought. Living through this. It's god awful. And I'm lucky because I don't need it to eat. Some people are not so lucky. Earthquake. Also lived through that. I grew up in Southern California. Erosion. This was one of our major fears because, we lost all the trees on the backside of our property, which is like a steep incline. And if you don't have plants to hold the soil, mudslides are really bad after fires for that reason. But erosion was a big fear. Fire. Flood. Lots of people dealing with that right now. God bless them. Fog. Fossilize. Frost. Germinate. Nice. Geyser. Haboob. Probably saying that wrong. I don't know what it is, but it looks like a sandstorm. Intensity, gigantic, envelop. Hail. Hurricane. Landslide. Meteor. Rain. Rainbow. Smoke. Yes. Oh my god. Yes, that's what we're living with. Snow. Storm. Sun. A sun dog. Interesting. I've seen these, but I've seen them around the moon too. Warning, omen, sign. Supernova. The tide. Tornado. Tsunami. Volcano. Wind. And then back to Blizzard. Very simple. I don't intend to obviously use it by itself. I mean, not obviously. I intend to use it as a helper deck to give some more context. I intend to use it as things beyond our control. Like, so I always look at the bottom of the deck because that's the unseen. Whenever I do a reading, I look at my cards, but I also look at what's in the bottom of the deck at the time that I'm doing the reading, and that tells me what are the hidden forces, what are things at work that I'm not seeing. And so I like this in the idea of like something unpredictable, something out of control, something that nature or the universe is going to throw at you, because not all the cards are negative. And I think that they did a very good job having scales of like it's all shades of gray, because it's just, I really like that. Everything is shades of gray. So this is a really nice, I think it's going to be a really nice helper deck. I will follow up on how I'm going to use it. Anyways, I will leave the information in the link below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.